Drink up. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to score 7 points while having fun learning about your friends. Shuffle the drink up cards and place them face down on the table. The oldest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you are the lead player, and you draw the top card of the deck and read it aloud. Then, secretly write your truthful numerical answer on the answer pad. Your answer must be a whole number. If you don't know the exact answer to a question, then do your best. The player to your left now starts the bidding with any number 0 or greater. The next player, in clockwise order, now has one of 3 options. They can either say, "I agree," if they agree with the previous player's number, or say, "Drink up," if they think the previous player's number is too high, or they can increase the previous player's number by 1 or more using only whole numbers. Then, play passes to the next player to repeat the process. Continue going around the group, increasing the number as many or few times as necessary, while skipping the lead player, until someone either says, "I agree," or "Drink up." Then you reveal your answer. If "drink up" was called and the last number a player said was less than or equal to the answer, then the player who declared the number scores 1 point, and the player who called "drink up" must take a drink. But if the last number the player said was higher than the answer, then the player who declared the number must take a drink, and the player who said "drink up" scores 1 point. When "I agree" is called, then if the answer matches the last declared number, then the player who declared the number and the one who said "I agree" each score 1 point, and both players give out a drink to any other player. But if the number doesn't equal the declared number, then both of those players each take a drink and no points are scored. After scoring points and taking drinks, start a new round with the next player. There are some special cards. When drawn, follow their instructions, then take another turn. The first player to score 7 points wins. If there is a tie, keep playing until there is only one winner. Additionally, you can play with the optional rule that whenever someone scores a point, they get to pick one player to take a drink.